Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a detailed demo on how to register your school on Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. So first you visit onto the VVM site, that is vvm.org.in. Once the site opens, on your right side there is a tab of useful links. Over there you can click on school registration. Now a page opens where there is a guide for school registration. So basically this is a summary of how many steps you have to go through before your school is registered. So the first step is entering your region and board details. Second step is providing the school details. Step 3 is the OTP verification. OTP verification happens on both email and mobile. And the last step is accepting terms and conditions. So until and unless you don't accept the terms and conditions, your registration is not complete. So this will be the last step, after which you are successfully registered as a school. So now let's do a walkthrough of each of the steps. Now I'm going to the school registration page. So now we have the first step here, that is region and board. So I'll select the state. Okay, for this demo purpose I'll choose Maharashtra. Based on the state, your district list is populated. So now I'm in Maharashtra, so it's showing me the list of states from Maharashtra. Now I'll select Pune. Now based on the district, it will show me the list of cities. So I'll select Pune city. So I've completed my regional details. Now the next part is the board. So for the board, it can be either first is the school type. So it can be either government school, aided school, or private school. So I'll just select private school. Now I have to select the board. Board can be either ICSE board, CBSE board, state board, or other. Okay, now there is one thing over here. Now if I select CBSE board, it gives me one more option to select. So this is a subcategory for CBSE board. So what are the options? So this is basically your DAV schools, Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, JNV, DPS, Amity, or anything else which is not a part of these above. So for this scenario, I'll select state board. Now I'll go to the next step. So on this next step, it will ask me the school info. So that is the name of school, name of principal, exam coordinator. I have to create the username, password, and the contact details. So let's go and fill them one by one. So for the demo purpose, I'll use a dummy name. Name of the principal, name of the exam coordinator, now next step is creating the username. So the rule for username is it should be unique. Okay, so say suppose if I use a username which is already used by some other school, you cannot use that, and error is also displayed here in red, like this username is not available. So I'll just type a school name over here. So VVM school, this username is available, and this is what it is showing me over here. Now I have to enter the password. So the password can be anything from alphanumeric characters. It can contain special symbols, but only these, and it should be at least 6 characters long. So I'll enter my password. Now I have to enter the confirm password, that is the same password I've entered above. If the password is not matching, it will show me that above password and the confirm password is not matching. Okay, I can also click this button to toggle if I want to see the password or not. So I'll just remove as, and my password is matching. Now the next step is entering email address and mobile number. So ensure you have access to this both email address and mobile number during the time of registration, because you will be getting a OTP on both of these fields. So you'll get a separate OTP on email and a separate OTP on mobile number. So I'll just enter one dummy email address. And I'll enter my mobile number. So the next step is verification of OTP. So now here it will show you on which email and on which mobile OTP is sent to. So I'll just check my mobile phone for the OTP. So the OTP on mobile is 712690. I'll also check on the email. So my email OTP is 621405. So if I enter a wrong OTP, it will show me an error. Right now the OTP is correct. Now this next step is enabled. Now I'll enter the next step. Now it is taking me to the terms and condition page. Basically the terms and condition, what it says that like your data is not being used anywhere, or we'll be connecting you in case of any information is to be levied, and you are giving us the permission for that. So I'll click on the register, and my school has been registered successfully. As a confirmation, you will also be getting an email from VVM. So the email will contain your username which you have set and also the password. Same you'll receive on the SMS. You'll also get an SMS containing the username and the password. So this is all about the registration for school.